Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. I hope you guys have been seeing some videos and pictures of some Yorubas abroad on different social media platforms agitating for Yoruba Republic or Oduduwa nation or thereabouts from our country called Nigeria. Few days ago, a video of Sunday Igboho with his followers appeared online calling for Yoruba nation with the flag of their proposer in their hands right in the country this time, unlike the ones we've been seeing outside the country. In the video, Sunday Igboho made it clear that he and his followers will be coming out on October 1st to officially call for Oduduwa nation in a protest.
So, October 1st, àwa ó ṣe rally. Àtẹ̀wọ́. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀ kàn dẹ́rù bá yín ní state yìí, ẹ wá join wa. Nígbàdàn bí àwọn máa jáde. A máa kójú bọ́ta. Abẹ́ sọdún pé Yorùbá fẹ́ lọ ní October 4th.
A lot of Nigerians are already reacting to this saga. Some completely go against it, while some support it on different social media platforms. A group called Igboho has disassociated themselves from this plan.
Orí okùn tí Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà wà láti 1943 tàti dá ẹgbẹ́ yìí sílẹ̀, láti 38 tàti dá ẹgbẹ́ yìí sílẹ̀, àti ìdírè kúrò náà. Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà ẹyọkan ni. Awuyewuye tá a wá ń gbọ́ lọ́tún tá a ń gbọ́ lósì wípé October 1st àwọn ẹgbẹ́ kan fẹ́ dàlúrú tó láwọn fẹ́ ṣe rally tó ní orúkọ àwọn Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà solidarity or whatsoever. Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà a ò ṣe rally kankan. Ẹgbẹ́ Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà original ẹgbẹ́ Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà ọmọ Yorùbá a ṣe ìwọ́de. Kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ ìwọ́de nínú ẹgbẹ́ Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà.
In the video, Sunday Igboho said he is not afraid of anything.
Tí o bá dúró, tọ́lá dúró, ẹgbẹ́ ló bẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. Ohun tẹ́mi sọ ni pé ọmọ Yorùbá tí ọba tí mọ̀ fà dúró bẹ́tà kó jára ẹ̀. Sí làákàyà rẹ̀ lẹ̀ pé ìjà tá a fẹ́ jà èmi kẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ wà ń bẹ̀. Gbọ́dọ̀ gbé ìtura gbà á. A máa gbà á. Dandan náà ni.
Who is Sunday Igboho? The name Sunday Igboho is widely known in the city of Ibadan in Oyo State. He is into business, according to him, in some of his interviews online. He is from Igboho town, located in the area of Oke-Ogun in Oyo State. He grew up in a town called Modakeke in Osun State. The local war between Ife and Modakeke years back gave him a huge recognition in Yoruba land. How Sunday Igboho fully came into limelight? According to him, in a video, he met former Governor Lam Adesina when there was petrol scarcity some years back. On the day he met him, it happened that some people were in a long queue from dawn to buy fuel in a filling station. Sunday was the only person who has enough courage to resist the security personnel and Adesina's convoy who wanted to break the line. He was later called by Lam Adesina to tell the reason for his actions. The main idea of his explanation was that he does not like cheating. So now that Sunday Igboho has made his intention known to Nigerians, you guys can give your take in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.